back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make delicious s'mores. First you will need some cookies of your choice. I have freshly baked mine. You can find the recipe on my YouTube channel. So guys, you will find the recipe under how to bake gingerbread cookies. There is also a link in the description below. Here you see me baking a fresh batch of cookies with my mom this morning. Guys, the cookies were smelling so delicious. I actually tried to eat one, but my mom stopped me from eating a cookie. And you will need some delicious fluffy marshmallows and some chocolates. First, I'm going to take 2 cookies and place them onto my cutting board. Now I'm going to take my chocolate and put them onto my cookies like this. Now I'm going to take my stick and thread my marshmallow onto it, just like this. My mom to toast these marshmallows for me. Guys, remember to always get an adult to toast stuff for you because it can be very dangerous. Guys, as you can see, we're now outside and we're in front of the fire, and my dad and my brother are toasting the marshmallows. They look so delicious. And my brother's doing such a cool little funny pose while toasting. Now the marshmallows are finely toasted. Now we're going to put them into our s'more. Now I'm going to put my marshmallow into the s'more, put another biscuit on top, and pull the stick out. Just like this. And now you have yourself a delicious s'more. Now you have a delicious s'more. It looks so yummy. I want to take a bite out of it now. That's so delicious. I hope you enjoyed making your own at home. Please like and subscribe. Shine bright. Bye. Au revoir.